Exercise 3.18 Problem 9 Solution. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are the reciprocal of the roots of the equation 4x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is our given equation and we are asked to find an quadratic equation whose roots are reciprocal of the roots of this equation. That is, if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, the roots of the required equation will be 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. Okay, so earlier they used to give us the roots are so and so 1 by alpha square, 1 by beta square, etc., etc. This time they have given that by a statement saying that the roots are the reciprocal of this equation. So if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, 1 by alpha and 1 by beta are the roots of the required equation. Okay, then other steps are as usual. We will have to find alpha plus beta and alpha beta from this equation and use those values to calculate the sum and the product of the given roots. Okay, right. Now in this equation, the coefficient of x square is a, and that is 4. Coefficient of x is b, and in this case b is minus 3, and the constant is c, and c is equal to minus 1. So if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is minus of minus 3 divided by 4, that is 3 by 4, and product of the roots is alpha beta, that is minus 1 by 4. Okay, right. Now we are asked to find the roots of the equation whose roots are the reciprocal of this. The reciprocal means the roots are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta, right? So since reciprocal of the roots of this equation and alpha beta are the roots of this equation, therefore the roots of the required equation is 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. Okay, so sum of the roots will be 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Taking alpha beta's LCM, you will get alpha plus beta in the numerator, and alpha plus beta we know it is 3 by 4 and alpha beta is minus 1 by 4. Substituting that values, you will get 3 by 4 divided by minus 1 by 4. That is minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 1. So 4 and 4 will cancel and you'll get minus 3. So sum of the roots of the required equation is minus 3. Next we'll have to find product of the roots. Product of the roots is 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So that becomes 1 by alpha beta. And alpha beta we know it is equal to minus 1 by 4. Substitute that value here. It will be 1 by minus 1 by 4. So that will become 1 into minus 4 by 1. That is minus 4. So sum of the roots is minus 3, product of the roots is minus 4. So the required equation can be found using this formula: x square minus sum of the roots plus product of the roots equal to 0. Now we know this value, we know this value. Substitute that value, we will get x square equal to 3x. Sum of the roots in our case was minus 3, right? So it becomes plus 3 here, and minus product of the root was plus product of the root was minus 4. Okay, so it's x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0 is the required equation. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.